it's been a week, and since I shot this earlier video, and got my nitrite in from Brodeck. Brand new bottle there, nitrate. And what I thought I'd show you here is I got three coats on the top, on the bottom wing, and 2 on the top, and that's where I'm going to stop right here, because when I stretched my covering out, I don't know if you can see it there, that shiny wood right there, there's nitrite on that. The covering shrunk too much. You can see my gap right there, and I mean, this is, you can't feel this edge here. So anyways, I need to put a patch across this leading edge here. So I thought I'd show, you know, and I've already done it on one area that I had to do it on, and it come out real nice. So what we're going to do here, now you can replace the nitrite with your butyrate. Where did I do with my brush? There it is. But anyways, you know, say you got a finish mall and you poke a hole in it, this is how you would repair that. Basically, you're just going to brush, you know, if it's already a finished model, your butyrate, because again, you can't put nitrate over butyrate, and you're going to get a fresh coat on this. And this is called doping it on. This is not using sticks to stick it down. So you're going to do that. Then I got my piece here that I'm going to use to seal this up with. Make sure we get the whole stretch here. I kind of like it that way a little better. And then just saturate your cloth. It's kind of like fiberglassing. So if you imagine you got to, you know, poked a hole in the wing or something, a little hanger rash, or had to make a repair, then you're not going to recover the whole thing. This is what you would do here. You can see that's, I guess you can't quite see what I'm doing here. I'm just going to brush that back down with my nitrate and then let it dry. And then what you would do is, if this was already a finished model, doesn't matter a whole lot if it bubbles up a little bit. And there again, this is another way you could put this stuff down too. You could do a wet layup like this. In my mind, you would want a piece quite a bit bigger than what you're trying to cover. And again, if you're going across the wing base, say you get a tear a hole, maybe a prop goes through it in transportation, which I've been known to do. Fix your runs. Try to get as many of the bubbles out as you can. A little bit of brush work here, and then there you go. And then we'll let that dry, and it pretty much is going to seam right into it. There's another quick tip for you on putting this stuff down, like I said, I'm going to go ahead, I'll let that dry, and then I'll get my final coat on the wing, and then I'll sand again, sand some of these edges down, make sure everything's nice and smooth. Here's my repair from earlier. It just, what it looked like was it came across here and it bowed up because it shrunk that much. It just didn't have quite enough overlap there, so I don't know if you can see that or not. Get you real close here. You can't feel that. You know, you won't see it after. So anyways, if you're doing this, you know, like after the model's fallen, say we'll go back to our thing. Say put a hole in the wing. You know, you retrate clear your piece down, cover the hole, let it dry, and then finish it as you did when you first completed the model. You know, sanding a tip for, you know, when we get to, if you get to that point, is to put tape down and curl it over so you don't get any hard edges, and then you can spritz your paint back down. So, you know, that way it's even less noticeable. So that's how you fix that. So, you know, that's why it's important to remember, like, keep some paint around from the batch that you ordered, and because you never know when an accident might happen. So anyways,